Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from a blockchain wallet. First, ensure you understand the basic steps involved in moving your digital assets. You will need to identify the correct recipient address and be aware of any associated network fees. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring your funds reach their intended destination safely and efficiently. We will cover everything from logging in to confirming your transaction. To begin, securely log into your blockchain wallet using your unique credentials. Once inside, locate the Send or Withdraw option, which is typically found on the main dashboard or within a dedicated Transactions menu. Before proceeding, always double-check that you possess the adequate amount of the specific cryptocurrency you intend to transfer, accounting for any potential network fees. Next, carefully enter the recipient's wallet address into the designated field. This step is critical, as an incorrect address can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Then, specify the precise amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all transaction details, including the address, amount, and any associated fees, to ensure everything is correct before confirming the transfer. After confirming your withdrawal, you will typically receive a transaction ID. Use this ID to monitor the status of your transfer on a blockchain explorer. Be patient, as network confirmation times can vary from a few minutes to several hours, depending on network congestion. For ongoing security, always enable two-factor authentication on your wallet and never share your private keys with anyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.